I think that the question that you have to confront is why a single state should decide who gets to be president of the United States.
The legal challenge by Colorado voters to disqualify former President Donald Trump from the ballot was met with a cold reception at the Supreme Court, now leading to the question, could the 9-member court find unanimity? Nearly every member of the High Court showed skepticism about upholding the Colorado Supreme Court's ruling to remove Trump from the state's primary ballot. Obama-appointed Justice Elena Kagan seems skeptical about the decision when questioning the Colorado voters' lawyer, Jason Murray.
In other words, this question of whether a former president is disqualified for insurrection to be president again is, just say it. It sounds awfully national to me. What the Michigan Secretary of State did is going to make the difference between, whether candidate A is elected or candidate B is elected. I mean, that seems quite extraordinary, doesn't it?
Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson, who was appointed by President Joe Biden, questioned the very argument the Colorado lawyer was trying to make.
Are you arguing both that the office of the presidency should not be considered one of the barred offices, and that a person who previously took the presidential oath is not subject to disqualification?
We are arguing both, Your Honor.
I don't see that in your brief. I see a lot of focus on the second, but not on the first.
There is definitely more focus on the second, and we acknowledge that we have a somewhat heavier lift on the first point.
Why? It seems to me that you have a list and president is not on it.
Chief Justice John Roberts and Justice Amy Coney Barrett both seem to reason in their questioning it's simply not up to the states to decide who's on a national ballot. The Supreme Court is likely to release their decision before Super Tuesday on March 5th, when Colorado holds their state primary.